Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Razer Huntsman Mini. It's a 60% optical gaming keyboard. It has full RGB. It has 1000 millisecond, 1000 pulling rate if I'm not mistaken, which is very good. And I'm really excited to test new optical switches from them. These are the red linear optical switch. I've had my back and forth with keyboards from Razer, and I don't think this will be a good buy. It had a pull tab, but it got everything off. So here we have the it is also, the cable is detachable. It has type C, and this is a diagram for optical switch. Okay, so inside of the box you have the Razer paper. These are the stickers. Never use them. Let's put it back. It's very convenient that they are not all over the place. Okay, this is the keyboard itself. It's pretty compact. It also has so much plastic on it. The new HyperX alloy keyboards are full metal. I so like the aluminum on them. Let's put this to the side. So this is the keyboard. Let's get a good shot. So the single metal in this casing is this part, which is really thin. This little part is the aluminum. Okay, here on the back you have anti-slippery pads and a different angle for your position. Here is the type C cable slot. Let's put it down. Okay, let's hear some noises that the keyboard makes. Caps lock, tab, shift, control, Windows, alt, space. Okay, I like this format. Let's get 10 keyless nearby. This is from this is the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. It has the Cherry MX reds inside. So let's compare the sounds. So, as you can see, the Razer keyboard is more silent, but these are the second generation of their Opto-Mechanical switches. The first generations, I've heard they were loud, everyone complained. And also the actuation point is smaller on this keyboard from what I'm seeing. And also on the HyperX you have a decent amount of aluminium, so the keyboard won't bend. It's really I can bench press 130 kilos and you need to put a little force to bend this keyboard. And the Razer one is meh. Let's get off one keycap. Okay, so this is the equals plus minus. As you can see there, focus please, there is a rubbery thingy on this side, on that side. Here on top is the RGB. How nice this full focus. There is the rubber. And they also said it is lubrified. I don't think so. Okay. Very low profile. Okay. Let's unbox the rest. The only disappointment in this keyboard, which I have, is that it is a little bit large for what I was looking for, and that it has mini USB, not even micro. So this is the cable, a little rubbery thingy. This is the PC part, and this is the keyboard part with USB Type-C. Okay. The cable itself feels good. It's more malleable than on my HyperX. I'm also very curious how the new HyperX alloy feels, because they have their new proprietary cables. Let's get okay. So it doesn't matter how you push it in. I also heard a little click. Good. Let's connect the keyboard and see how it looks. So the keyboard is connected, but is very little light in here. Let's see how it lights up on first use. Okay, so on top is my laptop, and currently it is color flow, so the light is pretty subtle. Let's get into the Razer Synapse. This is the full dark mode. As you can see, the colors are switching. This must be a pinkish color. I think my Note 10 Plus doesn't have that kind of clarity anymore. So it asks me to restart the PC. pretty silent. So the Razer Synapse has recognized the keyboard. So there is a profile, you can drag up to 4 profiles. This is the default. Okay. Hypershift. Okay. Let's see the lightning effects. Okay. Advanced effects. Okay. Chroma Studio module. Meh. Audiometer. Fire. So on the fire, down is a color and up top is a different color. So this is the wave effect. It's from the left to right, and I have dimmed the brightness to 0, to 23, 38, 86 and 100. Okay, so as my first impressions, I like this keyboard a lot. It is a small form factor. The keycaps feel very nice. I will finish my review in a couple of days. I won't be posting it right now, and I will finish and will say my experiences at the end of it. As you can see, the escape bar doesn't light up so well in the upper left corner. The other keycaps are lighting pretty good, and you also cannot see the secondary keys there. So I have reached Ryzen support, and as you can see, my device version of software is 1.01 and on the support site is 1.12, and I have the Ryzen 5000 version of software, and I will update because I've heard that there are problems with this keyboard and this motherboard and CPU. So I have played with my keyboard for about a week. As you can see, I have set the rainbow as the default setting for the illumination. This is my Logitech Orion 810. The keyboard is very fast. Sometimes, despite that the actuation point is 1.2 millimeters, sometimes I don't even think that I'm pressing the space button or anything else. I haven't had any problems like many have mentioned with Ryzen CPUs or AMD motherboards. No problems whatsoever, no lag in loading the taskbar, no nothing. I'm pretty pleased. Also, it's very, very silent. This is the Romer-G. so it's way lighter compared to my old keyboard. This will be my traveling keyboard. It is very compact, and I will be using with my laptop. Okay, these are my final words with this keyboard. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.